Hello students, how are you today? Today we're going to talk about our homes. So we're going to learn about the rooms first. So here we go. Now we see a picture of the house, and here are the rooms. This is the living room. This is the living room. This is the dining room where we eat. This is the dining room. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, a very important room. And this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, also very important. Okay, this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. This is another bedroom. Another bedroom. This is another bedroom. This is the basement. This is the basement. This is the garden. This is the garden. And this is the yard. This is the yard. Okay, so again, this is the living room, this is the dining room, this is the kitchen, this is the bathroom, this is a bedroom, this is another bedroom, this is the basement, this is the garden, and this is the yard. Now, we say the because there's only one, usually. The living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the bathroom. A bedroom, because maybe there's 1, 2, or 3 bedrooms. A bedroom, another bedroom. So this house has 2. Okay? The basement, only 1. The garden, the yard, only 1. Okay? Now, let's look at a house and see what the rooms are. Now, Susan, what is this room?
It is the kitchen.
Yes, it's the kitchen. Now, Isabel, what's this room?
It's the living room.
Yes, it's the living room. Now, Lee, what is this room?
It's the bathroom.
Yes, it's the bathroom. Now, Susan, does this house have 2 bedrooms?
No, it doesn't. It has 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Isabel, does this house have a dining room?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it has a dining room. Ali, how many bathrooms does this house have?
It has 1 bathroom.
Yes, it has 1 bathroom. Thank you very much. All right. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
My house has 2 bedrooms. Her house has 1 kitchen. Their house has 3 bathrooms. Our house has 1 living room and 1 dining room.
Read and repeat.